Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you request your information on your Nextdoor app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here in this sign here in app, then it's going to show for us list like this, and you go down, you click here on settings here down. So and you come here to next step, then you just click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here, so just switching to open video here. Then all you have to do, just go down here, so and you come here to request my information. So I have no information here because I don't my account is not verified. But if you have verify your account, it's going to show for you here, request your information. Just click on it here, then it's going to request your information on your Nextdoor app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.